Hey, Ben Stout with Ben Stout Construction here at one of our latest projects. This address is 828 Anarine. The reason I give the address is this is a job that's for us. As part of our residential program, we do a lot of house flipping where we buy foreclosed or distressed properties, renovate them and put them back on the market. And so we're going to take the time to kind of show you that aspect of the business, and this is the job we're going to do it on. So inside the house, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhouse, Terry Sanford School District. This house is about typical of what we find. A lot of rough colored paint, a lot of issues, flooring, final design, some selections they made. So you'll see behind me in the kitchen cabinets, they were just beyond repair. So we really, when we come into these houses, we always try to do an assessment of what's missing, what's needed, provide some budgets so you kind of know where we're going to be at cost-wise. And then it allows us to start over and really design, take the existing structure and design what we like. And usually we go with a lot of neutral colored colors, paint, flooring, cabinets. Put it all back together, put it on the market, and hopefully we can take something that was kind of an ugly duckling and turn it into a beautiful swan. So that's typically what we try to do. Look forward to coming back here in a couple weeks and showing you what the progress is, what we've got accomplished, and then of course at the very end we'll be able to come back and take a look at the finished product. And this should make a great home for a young couple looking to give themselves a first-time home buyer an opportunity to get into a house.